All right, here's my second example about solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. And as you can see here, the quadratic equation is not in standard form. So we need to move that 1 to the left side. All right, so minus 1 is going to give us 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals 0. And the next step is to identify a, b, and c. A equals 2, b equals 3, and c equals -1. So using the formula, okay, here's the formula. B squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Alright, so b is 3. We have -3 plus and minus square root of 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2. C is -1 divided by 2 times 2. Alright, so of course the next step here is to evaluate that. That's just -3. 3 squared is 9. -4 times 2 is -8 times -1 is +8. So this is +8 all over 4. And this is 9 plus 8, which is 17. -3 plus and minus square root of 17 all over 4. Now, I can actually stop here. We have an irrational root here. Square root of 17 is a decimal. So you have two options. Number one is to express your answer like this, or to express your answer into decimal. So it's up to you, or also it's up to the teacher. But I can stop here. Okay, so this is one possibility. And if you want to continue this into decimal, then you need to find the square root of 17. I think let's just do that. All right, so that's one possible representation of the answer. So what's the square root of 17? That's approximately 4.12. So let's do that. -3 plus 4.12 all over 4. And then the next one is -3 minus 4.12 all over 4. Okay, so we have two possible approximate answers. Okay, so let me just use the calculator first here. -3 plus 4.12 divided by 4 equals 0.28. All right, that's one possible answer. And the next one, okay, if you have a scientific calculator, this is a lot easier because all you need to do is to change that minus into plus, or the plus into minus. Okay, so -1.78. All right, so there you go. Again, it's up to you. It's up to the teacher. So you ask your teacher, which one do you like, decimal answers or radical? Okay, but in my case, well, also it depends on the problem. If it's a word problem, definitely you might be using decimal. Okay, so this is how you solve quadratic equations by quadratic formula. We have here rational roots. I hope you learned something. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.